Hey everyone, in today's quick app of the day video, I want to show you this app that lets you basically turn yourself or a picture of yourself into a cartoon or a drawing. It's called Voila Ai Artist and it's really easy to use. Let me show you the different options that it has. I'll put a link to it in the description below. You could go ahead and download it. And let me go ahead and open it up to show you basically what it does here. I'll use myself as an example. You could simply upload a picture or take a picture of yourself or someone else, and then you can make yourself into a 3D cartoon, a Renaissance painting, a 2D cartoon, or a caricature. So let me show you right here the 3D cartoon option. Just press the arrow right here. And if you want to give it access to your gallery or your photo library, you can here, or just a camera. Let me do the camera here. And basically put yourself right in the middle here and take a picture. And then it's gonna go through and do a little bit of image processing. They do have a weekly, monthly, or yearly paid option to remove the ads and speed up this whole process if you want. So if you get ads like this, you'll have to wait through. This is an ad supported app, like many apps that are like this. And so you could see my original picture and it gave me some other options. So this is the royalty 3D, this is the baby version, and this is the cartoon version, okay? Whichever one you like, you could just press the up arrow on top. And what it does here is it lets you share it directly to social, any one of them. So there's a few options that you could scroll through. And if you like one, you could just press save right here to download it to your phone. And you could always go back here and then change it out. So try a different one, for example, then press the up arrow again. And then if you like, go directly on Instagram, for example. Let me go back to the home page just to show you another version. So the caricature, you could go ahead and press the arrow. Let me get the camera and let's take a picture. Give it a second to process. And here are some funny options here. And as usual, I could save it. And one last thing I'll show you with this. It does have the celebrities option too on the very bottom. So you can, with the middle option, upload a picture that you already have or take a picture of someone else too. So you could choose from any famous people here and do it exactly the same way I just showed you with your own picture. And the paid options I mentioned, if you want to speed up the process, remove the ads and the watermark, these are your pricing at the time that I'm recording this video. I was really impressed with the technology built into the app and it was so easy to use, no confusion, really simple ad model with paid upgrades. I'm gonna give it a solid 5 out of 5. I really love these type of apps when they really work well, and this one did the job very simply. So as usual, in the comments, I'd love to hear your feedback about it. Please give this video a thumbs up, share it with anyone else that may find it useful. I will see you next time.